Ever wondered what causes engine seizure? It occurs due to overheating or lack of lubrication. Lubricants are essential for smooth functioning of vehicle parts and preventing costly damages. Now, let's discuss the symptoms of a seized engine. These include the engine not starting, emission of fumes and smoke, and unusual engine noises or sounds. Be aware of these signs to avoid further damages. One of the primary causes for engine seizure is a lack of engine oil. Regular lubrication ensures smooth vehicle functioning. However, without proper lubrication, the engine starts to overheat and may seize eventually. Another cause of engine seizure is poor maintenance and lack of regular checkups. It's crucial to check your engine regularly and inspect any oil leaks to ensure your vehicle's longevity and safe travels. Inadequate oil circulation can also cause engine seizure. Clogging can happen in any vehicle, and dirty oil filters need regular cleaning. Remember, not changing filters on time is the most common reason for clogging. Stay tuned for more car tips and tricks.
Service Genie, car maintenance, made easy.